Throwing a healthy tailgate party is a breeze with a Hy-Vee dietitian as your quarterback. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to throw a tailgate party and score big with a simple recipe that's a whole lot of fun to eat: cowboy avocado salsa. To get started, grab a medium bowl and combine one 10-ounce can of Rotel tomatoes with green chilies, one 15-ounce can of Hy-Vee no salt added black beans, 1 cup of thawed Hy-Vee cut golden corn, 1 diced avocado, 1 package of Short Cuts tricolor bell peppers, and 4 sliced green onions. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, supporting a healthy and strong immune system. For added flavor, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of Hy-Vee ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of Hy-Vee chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of Hy-Vee Select red wine vinegar. Season to taste with Hy-Vee salt and ground black pepper, and toss the bowl mixture until everything is well combined. For dipping, serve with siete, sea salt, or lime tortilla chips, and you'll be the MVP of any tailgate party. The beauty of this recipe is there's no hard and fast rules on what you can include. Customize your cowboy avocado salsa with add-ins like cilantro, black-eyed peas, feta cheese, or even peaches. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, follow your favorite Hy-Vee dietitians now on Facebook or Instagram at Hy-Vee Health.